In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to issue store credit in Shopify. Store credit is a great way to handle returns, resolve customer service issues, or reward loyal customers without issuing a refund back to their original payment method. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along in your own Shopify admin. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin area where you manage orders, products, and customers. Once you're on that home screen, look at the left-hand menu and find the section labeled Customers. Go ahead and click on Customers. This will open a list of everyone who has shopped with you or created an account on your store. Next, from this list, select the customer you'd like to issue store credit to. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly search by name or email. When you see the right customer, click on their name to open their customer profile. This profile shows their order history, contact details, and any existing store credit. On the customer's profile page, look for the section labeled Store Credit. In that section, you'll see a small pen or edit icon. Click on that pen icon to edit the store credit balance for this customer. A panel will appear where you can set up the credit. Find the empty amount field and type in the amount of credit you want to issue. Take a moment to double check the currency and the value you're entering, especially if you're matching a specific order total or a partial refund. Below the amount, you'll see an option that usually says doesn't expire. If you're happy for the store credit to be valid indefinitely, you can leave this as it is. But if you want the credit to expire on a certain date, click on doesn't expire. This will open a date picker. In the date picker, choose the exact day you want the store credit to expire. This is useful for promotional credits or time-limited goodwill gestures. After selecting the date, confirm your choice by clicking Done so that the expiration date is saved. Once everything looks correct, the amount, and if applicable, the expiration date, you're ready to finalize it. Click on Issue Credit. Shopify will now apply that store credit to the customer's account